chop onions and cut tomatoes. That's the chopped onions and cut tomato and half lemon. Peel off the chicken skin and remove the fat from chicken and then cut into sizable pieces. That's the 2 onions chopped off, 2 tomatoes cut and 2 potatoes to be cut. Wash the chicken and put into a saucepan. Now those are the ingredients ready to be cooked. And cut cabbage. Peel, wash and cut a carrot. Spices to be added: chili powder, jeera seeds, chili powder, jeera seeds, coriander powder and turmeric powder, bay leaves, about 3 pieces, roasted curry powder, sticks of cinnamon. Place a saucepan on the stove. These are all the ingredients. Once again, chopped onions, cut tomato, cut carrot, 2 potatoes, cut cabbage, lemon, chicken, spices, salt and garlic paste. Take 2 green chilies. Put little cooking oil in the pan and then add jeera seeds until it is roasted. Then when the jeera seeds getting golden color, add chopped onions. Stir. Cover it. Stir and then add chicken into the saucepan. Stir well. That's coriander added after getting the chicken cooked. Now add spices, coriander leaves, already added all the spices and stir. Add tomato and stir. Cut the potato. Add carrots. Cover. Add garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon, and mix. Now it is getting cooked and it looks like this. Add little boiling water. Green chili and cook for about 20 minutes. Now add potato into the saucepan. Now add little bit of yogurt, about 1 tablespoon, and stir. Now putting cabbage. Stir well. Add salt to your taste and mix. Add coriander leaves after 20 to 25 minutes of cooking and stir. Keep it covered while cooking. It will be ready after 5 minutes. Now the dish is almost ready. This is how it looks like.